In module 132, we will discuss professional standards for teachers in Pakistan. As we mentioned that every nation has given professional standards of the teachers, like other professions like medicines and engineering and agriculture and the computing, nursing, etc. And Pakistan has also given the professional standards for the teachers, and they are also considered as one of the best standards of the world. And these are given by the government of Pakistan, and every province has to follow those professional standards. These professional standards are mentioned, or given, or embedded, or built into the curriculum of the teacher training courses, so that these type of the standards are developed and created and inculcated into the personalities of the teachers. They are for the improvement of the quality of the teachers. They are basically the professional standards for the teachers. They were given for the improvement of the teachers' quality. And these were developed by the policy and the planning wing of the Ministry of Education in the February 2009, with the help of technical and with the technical support of the UNESCO and the financial support of the USAID. These professional standards are basically the 10 professional standards, and they include subject matter knowledge, human growth and development, knowledge of the Islamic ethical values and social life skills, instructional planning and the strategies and assessment. And the sixth one is the learning environment. Seventh is the effective communication and the proficient use of information communication technologies. Seventh one is the collaboration and the partnership. Ninth one is continuous professional development and code of conduct of the teachers. And the last one is the teaching of the English as a second and the foreign language. Standard 1 is based on the different sub-level or the sub-standards: in-depth knowledge of the subject, basic concept and the theories, new concepts that are coming or the emerging, relationship of that subject with the other subjects. For example, if I'm teacher of the Urdu, what concepts of my subject are relevant with the other subjects in social study, in Islamiyat, etc. And the second standard is human growth and development. That includes how the students construct knowledge, how the students learn, how the students perceive the things. So teacher should know the psychology of the students and the habits of and the minds of the students, differences of the students, learning styles of the students, and motivational strategies, and how to treat the students of the different natures. The third one is knowledge of Islamic values, ethical values, and social life skills. The teacher should know, because Pakistan is the ideological Islamic country. The students should know the Islamic code of the conduct in the light of the Quran and Sunnah, and the values that are globally accepted, basic principles, Islamic principles in the textbooks, and create safe and secure learning environment. And the fourth one is instructional planning and strategy. The teacher should know how to plan the lesson, how to plan the curriculum, how to plan the activities in the class, and so that the strategies in the class, and what kind of the knowledge, the previous knowledge, prior knowledge, and future tasks of the student. The teacher should know how to use different methods. Assessment: the teacher should know the different methods and how to use different methods and how to get the maximum benefit of that methods. These professional standards are very closer with each other. The Australian, Filipino, New Zealand, American, UK, but they are basically based on the education policies of the countries, and the education policies of the countries are based on the constitution of the countries. So they are a bit, in many cases they are similar one, in many cases they are different because of the different cultures and the different philosophy of the nation. Sixth one is the learning environment: how the teacher is creating the learning environment, how the environment is influencing, and how the influencing environment is created by the teachers. Seventh one is the use of the ICTs. The teacher should know the use of the latest applications for the effective use of the teacher. For example, multimedia, laptops, computers, applications, smartphones, etc. collaboration and the partnership. The teacher should have collaboration with the other institutions, other teachers, and the partnership. They should work with the other teachers for joint researches, for joint teaching and the joint concepts, so that they should jointly work together, discuss together, deliberate upon together, and have clear concept and the clear strategies for teaching of their students. Ninth one is continuous professional development and the code of the conduct. The teacher is supposed to continuously improve his or her teaching, continuously teaching, learning himself. And this is the requirement of the profession. And the last one is the teaching of English, because in Pakistan, the teaching of English, the medium of instruction in many ways has become the English. Therefore, it is considered as the standard. And the teacher should have command of the languages, including the mother tongue, including the national language, that's Urdu, and the effective teaching in English as well.